How to log in into Paramount Plus. Hello everybody, welcome back to our video. Today in this video we're going to learn how we can log in into Paramount Plus. So without any delay, let's begin with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can log in into the Paramount Plus, these are the steps you may follow in order to do so. In order to do that, you may just head over to your laptop or your mobile device. For this video, I'm using a mobile device, but you may just head over to any of the browser using either of your devices. After that, simply type in Paramount Plus on your search bar, and you'll be taken to this page where you'll be finding the paramountplus.com link very easily. So it is a streaming site where you can stream movies, shows, and live TV. So in order to log in into that page, just click on the paramountplus.com page and you'll be taken to the page of the Paramount Plus. So in order to log into the Paramount Plus, you'll be finding this enter email section. Just enter your email here, and after that tap on submit. After that, you may need to enter your password and go on with the process of verification, and you'll be easily logged in into the paramountplus.com. So that's how you basically log in into the Paramount Plus very easily. Follow the steps in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.